In this section, we will practice identifying those children with stridor, amongst several who have a simple cold or other respiratory noises. We will be assessing 4 children. Here is the first child. His name is Petit. Look and listen to his breathing. Does Petit have stridor? What did you decide? We heard a harsh noise when Petit was breathing in. Therefore, we decided that Petit does have stridor. Listen again. Here is the second child. Her name is Helen. Look and listen to her breathing. Does Helen have stridor? What did you decide? We heard a harsh noise when Helen was breathing in. Therefore, we decided that Helen does have stridor. Listen again. Here is the third child. His name is Simbel. Look and listen to his breathing. Does Simbel have stridor? We heard a wet noise when Simbel was breathing in and out. Therefore, we decided that Simbel did not have stridor, but a blocked nose. Listen again. Here is the fourth child. His name is Hassan. Look and listen to his breathing. Does Hassan have stridor or another sound? We heard a wheezing sound when breathing out. Therefore, we decided that Hassan did not have stridor. Stridor is a harsh sound on breathing in. This child has wheeze when breathing out. Listen again. That completes the exercises for assessing breathing rate, chest indrawing, and stridor.